Welcome to Python A to Z, the complete Python development course for beginners. Within this entire course, you will go through step-by-step tutorials, covering your environment setup, the basic concepts and features of Python, but also some more complicated and advanced tasks to become a Python developer. You will discover and learn variables and data types, statements and conditions, loops, functions, lists and dictionaries, input and outputs, files, classes and objects, modules and packages, errors and exceptions handling, virtual environment, threading, databases, regular expressions, web applications and network, scientific data analysis, artificial intelligence and machine learning, but also graphical user interface apps, and so forth. Everything useful for someone who wants to learn to code in Python. Whether you are new to programming or an experienced developer who wants to learn a new language and enlarge his skills, it is easy to learn and use Python. Therefore, this course is for students, employees, and anyone who wants to start programming, or more likely wants to learn Python language, but with absolutely no prior programming knowledge required. At the end of this course, you might be able to automate some of your tasks in your everyday life, even the more difficult ones. From some very basic scripts, so you can have more free time for you and your family. Or watching a website for any changes. Organizing your movies. Even manage your personal finance. There is not limit besides your imagination. You would like to achieve this goal in no time? Keep in mind that you should above all learn at your own rhythm, with discipline and practice. Are you ready to learn Python? Let's get started. Enroll now, and be part of this journey. Digital Academy, enroll now, learn free. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, and share.